Welcome to Anis Academy, friends. So in this video we are going to solve problem number 26 to 30 from ratio and proportion. So let's start this video. So first question is, you can see the duplicate ratio of 3:4 is. So before we solve these problems, I just want to tell you these problems are very simple and easy. But why I have created this is that you will, if you are not aware of these terms, you will learn these terms, and then when you know these terms, this will become very easy for you to solve these type of problems. Okay, so I will be also solving these problems and explaining you what is the meaning of these terms which is used here. So first question, it says the duplicate ratio of 3:4 is. So duplicate means nothing but the square. Okay, square of the given ratio. So here given ratio is 3:4. So the duplicate ratio of 3:4 is, we can write it as I told you, square, right? So 3 square, 4 square. So it will become 9:16. So this is the answer, 9:16. Okay, so duplicate ratio means the square of the given ratio. So duplicate ratio of 3:4 is 9:16. Okay, now let us quickly solve the next problem, friends, which is 27th. So in 27th it says the subduplicate ratio of 4:16. So what is the meaning of subduplicate? Subduplicate means the square root. Okay, duplicate is a square, subduplicate is square root of the given ratio. So here you can see 4:16. So subduplicate will be square root of 4 is to square root of 16, which will become 2:4. Okay, so the subduplicate ratio of 4:16 is 2:4. This is the answer. Okay, now next question, the triplicate ratio of 2:3 is. So what is the meaning of triplicate? If we know the meaning of triplicate, we can quickly find out this answer. So triplicate means the cube of the given ratio. Okay, so triplicate means cube. So we will do the cube of the given ratio. So 2 cube is to 3 cube. So 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. So the answer here is triplicate ratio of 2:3 is 8:27. Okay, friends. Now similarly, if you see duplicate, subduplicates, for triplicate also we have subtriplicate. So subtriplicate means cube root of the given ratio. So here we have to find the subtriplicate of the ratio 8:27. So subtriplicate means cube root. So we will find the cube root of 8:27. So 8 cube root is to, here again cube root 27. So cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of 27 is 3. So here the subtriplicate ratio of 8:27 is 2:3. This is the answer. Okay, friends. Now let us solve the last question. The inverse ratio of 3:2:1 is. So inverse means, you know, suppose there is a fraction 1/2. So inverse of 1/2 is 2/1. Okay, or 2. 2/1 is also written as 2. So same thing we have to do here. The given ratio is 3:2:1. So what is the inverse of 3:2:1? So first I am writing the given ratio 3:2:1. So for this inverse is, for 3 we will write the inverse of 3. Inverse of 3 is 1/3. Then for 2 we will write the inverse, which is 1/2. And then for 1 it is same, 1 only. So for 1 we can write 1/1. So the inverse ratio of 3:2:1 is 1/3 is to 1/2 is to 1/1 is 1 only, right? So we can write like this. So with this we have solved these problems. Hope you have enjoyed this video, friends. Please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Okay, you can give valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you very much.